Sony's PlayStation 5 has specific limitations when it comes to Bluetooth audio connections. Due to latency concerns that could affect gaming performance, direct Bluetooth headset pairing is restricted. There are three main methods to connect HyperX headsets to your PS5. The most reliable method is using the USB wireless dongle that comes with compatible HyperX headsets. Several HyperX models are fully compatible with PS5. The Cloud Alpha Wireless offers an impressive 300-plus hour battery life, while the Cloud Mix provides hybrid wired and wireless functionality. To connect using the USB dongle method, first insert the HyperX USB dongle into any available USB port on your PS5. Then power on your headset and put it into pairing mode. Next, navigate to Settings, then Sound, then Audio Output on your PS5. Select USB headset as your output device to complete the connection. For a wired connection, simply plug the 3.5mm audio cable into your DualSense controller's headphone jack. Then go to the same audio settings and select Headphones Connected to Controller. Sony also introduced PlayStation Link technology in 2024, a new low-latency wireless standard. This technology offers improved performance for compatible gaming headsets and represents the future of PlayStation audio connectivity. Understanding audio optimization and latency is crucial for the best gaming experience with your HyperX headset on PS5. Audio latency varies dramatically between connection methods. Standard Bluetooth introduces 150 to 300 milliseconds of delay, making it unsuitable for competitive gaming. For optimal audio quality, configure your PS5 to use linear PCM format. This provides uncompressed digital audio with the highest fidelity. Navigate to your PS5 audio settings and enable these optimal configurations. Linear PCM format, 3D audio enabled, and 8RTF Profile 3 for the best spatial audio experience. The gaming industry is evolving with new low-latency technologies. PlayStation Link represents Sony's next-generation wireless standard, competing with advanced Bluetooth codecs like LC3 and aptX Adaptive. Currently, USB wireless dongles provide the best balance of convenience and performance. While native Bluetooth support may arrive in future PS5 updates, dedicated wireless dongles remain the optimal solution for serious gaming.